What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching an IT support course. This is a diploma level course just to help you in your classes, to help you get through the notes that you might have, cover something that you might have not covered. And we're going to be going through it slowly. I'm going to be explaining some key points, and I'm going to be giving questions for you to answer. I expect you to pause the video, get a piece of paper and pen, and write it down. Write your answers down when I ask you a question. Everything is going to be on your screen. The question and answer will be on your screen, but you should still write your answer down. It'll help. If you still have issues, you should rewatch the video. Rewatch the video. Read through your notes. Remember that it is important that you remember and retain as much as possible going forward. So today we're going to be looking at Introduction to Information Technology, overview of IT infrastructure, fundamentals of operating systems, introduction to networking concepts, lesson summary, and key takeaways at the end. So hard disk drives, HDD, which is a storage which stores large amounts of data at a lower cost but operates low speeds. So that is the bigger and bulkier hard drive. The older one, I'll show you guys. I had to get up just now to show it. I could have pulled a picture up, I know, but I want to show you guys what I have myself. So this is what it is. This big bulky one, and I've even opened it up so that you guys would see on the inside. It's like a CD. So it's like a CD on the inside, and this CD right here, it's not a CD, but would rotate very fast, and data or information would be written onto it and stored. This is an older version of how we used to store data. Nowadays, everyone's using this one, which is the solid state drive, which provides a much faster data access and which provides much faster data access and improves overall system performance. The network attached storage (NAS), that is a shared storage device connected to a network that allows multiple users to store and access files at the same time. So imagine this in a room, and over the network, other people would be allowed to access this hard drive while being in another room, but they're connected to it through an Ethernet cord or a network, right? So other people would have access to it. Everyone has access to it. Cloud storage, example, Amazon S3 storage stores data online, allows access from anywhere in the internet connection and easy expansion as storage needs grow. So this is like it's just cloud storage. Google Drive. It says Amazon has storage. Everyone is having storage these days. They give you like 5 gigs or 10 gigs of storage that you could use. It's some, and if you want more, you have to pay for it. So it's like NAS, but they have the NAS storage system, and they do all the hard work, and you just pay for the service. So that's what it is. So after completing this module, you should be able to explain why IT support is important in business, identify common IT support jobs and duties, list part of an IT system and what they do, compare different operating systems, understand basic network troubleshooting skills. IT supports help individuals and businesses use technology properly and efficiently. It involves fixing technical problems, giving guidance, and making sure computers, software, and networks work smoothly. IT supports workers such as help desk technicians, IT specialists, and it plays an important role in keeping business productive and effective. Its main purpose is to solve user problems easily and quickly. This includes fixing hardware and software issues, installing updates, setting up systems, and helping users learn how to use technology. By providing this support, IT support personnel help users overcome technical challenges faster and complete their work with less difficulty. Importance of IT support in business: it minimizes downtime. Businesses rely more and more on digital tools, which can make it hard to manage IT systems and fix technical problems. This is why IT support is important. IT support helps by giving advice, fixing errors, solving problems, and keeping networks secure so businesses can run smoothly. One of the main benefits of IT support is reducing downtime. When systems stop working, productivity and income can be affected. Work quickly to solve these issues by fixing issues to keep the business operating. Hiring professional IT support helps ensure that technology systems work at their best. IT support provides workflow, streamlines processes, and increases productivity by preventing problems before they happen and fixing issues quickly when they occur. IT support allows employees to work efficiently and stay focused on their main task. IT support professionals help protect important business data from cyber attacks by using security tools such as firewalls, antivirus softwares, and data encryption. They also use backup and recovery systems to reduce the risk of lost data and ensure the business can continue operating during unexpected problems. User satisfaction. IT support helps create a positive experience for users by providing quick and effective help when technical problems occur. This builds employee trust in the company. IT systems provides morale, increase productivity, and support better customer service. So you have to build user satisfaction because that is how you build trust. Trust that you are capable, trust that you are reliable. Now, time for me to ask some questions. What is information technology support? The provision of technical assistance and solutions to end users. B. The development of software applications. C. The process of managing hardware components. Or D. The maintenance of network infrastructure. It is A. The provision of technical assistance and solutions to end users. Second question. How does IT support help employees work more efficiently and stay productive? Write an answer, and I will see if that answer is the closest to the one that I give. Alright, you ready? IT support helps keep computers, software, and networks working properly by preventing problems and solving issues quickly. Employees can focus on their work without technical interruptions, which improves efficiency and productivity. Different types of IT support. IT support is essential for modern businesses. It helps keep technology systems running smoothly. supports employees when problems occur, and protects networks and data. As business rely more on digital tools, IT support provides help to fix issues, maintain systems, and ensure secure and efficient operations. Help desk support is the first point of contact for users experiencing technical problems. Technicians respond to issues through phone calls, emails, and chats. That's the chat bubbles. They troubleshoot common problems and escalate more complex issues to specialized teams when needed. On-site support. It involves IT staff visiting a user's location to fix the problem that cannot be solved remotely. This includes hardware repairs, software installations, network issues, and systems upgrades. Remote support. It allows IT professionals to access and fix systems from another location using remote tools. This saves time and reduces resources while enabling quick troubleshooting, systems maintenance, and user guidance. So someone would be in their office and they would gain access to your computer remotely. They would not be in the same room, they would not be in the same building, but remotely they would have access to your computer, your desktop, or your end device. Application support. Now, it focuses on helping users with software-related issues. This includes installing programs, fixing errors, and providing advice on how to use or customize applications effectively. So it's software. It's an application like Photoshop, Illustrator. What other basic applications? A browser that you maybe installed, something that you might have an issue with, and you get in contact with customer support, and they direct you and tell you, hey, maybe you need to clear your cache, or you need to do this, or they tell you what you need to do and how you need to do it. But it's just applications. IT support roles and responsibilities. Help ensure that organizations' technology systems work properly. Their responsibilities may vary depending on the organization, but the main roles include troubleshooting and solving problems. IT support staff identify and fix technical problems reported by users. They use their knowledge to find the cause of issues and provide effective solutions. System maintenance and upgrades. IT support maintains computers, softwares, and networks to keep them running smoothly. This includes installing updates, applying security patches, and upgrading systems to improve performance and security. User training and documentation. IT support professionals train users on how to use technology tools. They also create guides, manuals, or tutorials to help users solve common problems on their own. Pretty self-explanatory. IT support handles incident management and escalation. IT support handles technical incidents and service requests efficiently. They track issues until resolved, escalate the complex problems to a higher level team, and keep users informed of progress. Proactive monitoring and prevention. IT support continuously monitors systems to detect problems early. They can take preventing actions such as system backups, security updates, and performance optimization to reduce future issues. Another another